So you have ABCD is a parallelogram, and M is the midpoint of BC. So here will be point M. ABCD is a par. You have M is the midpoint of BC. And moreover, we have vector CE is equal to 2 over 3 CO, where O is the meeting point of BD and AC, or it is the center of the parallelogram. Center of the parallelogram, it means the intersection of the medians. So here where O, we have CB is equal to 2 over 3, or sorry, not CB, C. O. CE, it's 2 over 3 CO, as an ideal E. Okay, part A. Use an appropriate system of axes to prove that D, E, and M are collinear. D, E, M. You have to prove it collinear. Yeah. Also, you need to find system to prove that these points are collinear.
بس إذا بنعمل مثل هيديك مش الدي هي 0 0 مثل ما عملناها هيديك.
Depends on the system you choose. If you consider a system of system D بعدين شي شغلة تانية, okay, yes, D will be of coordinate 0 0. If you consider, for example, the system O, OB, OA, D will not be 0 0. Yeah, choose a system of coordinates.
It's D, B, C, D, O.
Would you please repeat? D,
D, C, D, O.
D, D, C, D, O. يمشي الحال. عفوا. Any system you choose, that will be correct. ما في system غلط. بس انه في system احلى من system. اريح. If you choose D, DC, DA, أسهل to find the coordinates of O. Because here O will be the midpoint, so you write XC plus XE, plus XA over 2. Now, if you choose the system D, DC, DO, مش هقول غلط, أكيد صح. But to find A, you are going to use O as the midpoint of. فيها شوي more step, بس إنه كمان مش غلط. صح 100%. اوكي كلهم صح. راح امشي معك، راح ياخذ دي دي سي. سمعتوا لي كل مره عم بياخذ غير سيستم، زعلنا حتى ما نزعلك الي. دي دي سي دي او. سيرين؟
Yes.
شو عم بسمع صوتك اليوم ليه؟
Okay, استاذ. بدك جاوب؟
يلا. What are the coordinates of
Okay.
C?
1 0
Coordinates of O.
0 1
0 1. طيب we still have to find
Yes.
coordinates of A, E, M, B.
Okay. B هي 0 2.
B it is 0 2. Why?
لأنه ال O هي midpoint of DB. يعني DO equal يعني DB equal to DO.
Good. Now you can write DB it's 2DO. It means that B has coordinates 0 2. يعني هون كأنه عم بقول شو إنه DB starting from the origin D, it's equal to 2J. DO هو J. So B will have coordinates 0 2. Or O is the midpoint of DB. O is the midpoint of DB. Then X of O is equal to XD plus XB over 2. And Y of O is equal to YD plus YB over 2. And then simply you can find X of B and Y of B. طيب. What about point M and point E?
A.
A.
Okay, point M is a mid. Okay, M midpoint of BC.
هو
So
عطاء
M
مش بحاجة
XB plus XC over 2.
نحن بطلنا بحاجة هلا للبوينت A. نحن بدنا بس D
Yes.
E و M.
Okay.
هلا صار فينا نطلع the coordinates of E using this. Okay, continue.
Yes. Okay, we find the coordinates using midpoint.
Okay.
So X. Yes.
M is the midpoint of BC. Then
Yes. So X اللي M هي XB plus XC over 2. تطلع 1 over
XM
2.
is equal to XB plus XC over 2, which is equal to
1 over 2.
1 plus 0 over 2, which is 1 over 2. And Y of M,
Yes. Y of
YB,
B plus Y of C over 2. تطلع 1.
1. So M has the coordinates 1 over 2, 1.
Yes.
Okay. We still have to find coordinates of point E.
Yes. Can we say that DE equal 2 over 3 dm?
DE is equal to 2 over 3 dm. Why?
Because M is the midpoint of BC, and point E is the intersection of DM and OC and CO. CO is a median too.
هلا ليك اللي انت بتحكيه صح، مش رح لك غلط، بس
Yes.
هذه هي الفكره تبع الثاني بارت. انه
Okay.
if you say that DE it's 2 over 3 dm، طب ما خلص معناتها ال DE and M are collinear. ليش عم اشتغل كده هون؟
Oh, okay. Yes.
Right. طيب but in order to find the coordinates of E, use this. X of E
Okay.
minus X of C is equal to 2 over 3 X of O minus X of C. Similarly for Y. صح؟
Okay. Yes.
Yep. So I can say here CE is equal to 2 over 3 CO. This means that X of E minus X of C is equal to 2 over 3 X of O minus X of C. And similarly for Y, Y of E minus Y of C, it's 2 over 3 Y of O minus Y of C. Then X of E minus X of C, 1. Two over 3 X of O.
0.
وين O؟ حلو. 0 minus كمان 1.
0.
لا X of C.
Yes. 1. Yes. Yes. Okay. 1.
Then and Y of E minus 0 is equal to 2 over 3 Y of O, which is 1 minus 0. Then X of E شو بيطلع جواب؟ negative 2 over 3 plus 1, so 1 over 3. And Y of E, it's 2 over 3.
Yes.
So E has the coordinates 1/3 2/3 على حسب السيستم اللي اخدته لين. Okay. Now you have the coordinates of D, E, and M. No need to find coordinates of A. شو بدي فيه؟ Then D, E, and M. D وينها؟ 0 0. M 1/2 1. And E 1/3 2/3. نرجع نكتبهم هون ليبينوا قدامنا. D has coordinates 0 0. E 1/3 2/3. And M 1/2 1. Yeah. نفس الخبرية مثل كل مرة. X of D minus X of E into Y of D minus Y of E, sorry, Y of M. It's equal to 0 minus 1/2, 0 minus 1, and the answer is positive 1/2. And X of D minus X of M, Y of D minus Y of E, it's equal to 0 minus 1 into 0 minus 2/3. أنا مغلبت شيء هون. هي غلط. sorry مغلبت بشغلة. minus X
It
of
says
E.
X of M هي 1/2 not 1.
مغلبت بهاي. X of E حطيتها الأكس الآن. X of E it is 1/3. So the answer will be positive 1/3. And here X of M it is 1/2. 0 minus 2/3. Then the answer will be also 1/3. They are equal. Then the points O, E, and M are collinear.
D, E, and M.
بعد في شيء مغلوط فيه اليوم؟ D, E, and M are collinear. Okay. For the second part, use geometric method to prove this result. How can you use geometry to prove the result? To prove that D, E, and M are collinear?
Prove that E is a centroid.
Good. Once you have O is the midpoint, يعني CO is a mean, and you have CE, it's 2/3 CO, it means that E is centroid of triangle DCB. Now M is the midpoint of BC, then DM is a median, hence E belongs to DM, therefore DEM are collinear. Again, I'm going to write it here, بس لتضل الفكرة قدامنا. Part B, you have O is the midpoint of DB, it means that CO is a median. Now, CE is equal to 2/3 CO. It means that E is the centroid of triangle BCD. But M is the midpoint of BC. This means that DM is median طبعا in triangle DCB. It means that E belongs to DM, centroid belongs to the medians. Therefore, D, E, and M are collinear. Okay?